Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reply to comments in Adobe Acrobat DC. This is incredibly useful when you're collaborating on documents and need to respond to feedback or questions that others have left for you. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account and all your documents. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the files where comments may be waiting for your response. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically located on the home screen and displays all the documents you've worked on recently. From this list, select the file that contains the comments you want to reply to. Clicking on it will open the document, and you'll be able to see all the annotations and comments that have been added by reviewers or collaborators. Now that your document is open, locate the specific comment you want to reply to. Comments usually appear in the right panel or as annotations directly on the document itself. Once you've found the comment you're interested in, click on it to select it. In the right panel, you'll notice 3 dotted lines appear next to the comment. These dots represent a menu with additional options. Click on those 3 dots, and from the menu that appears, select Reply. This action opens up a text field directly beneath the original comment, allowing you to continue the conversation with the reply field. Now type your response in the text field. Keep your reply clear and concise, addressing whatever question or feedback was left in the original comment. Once you've finished typing your reply, look for the Post button and click it. This will submit your response and make it visible to anyone who has access to the document. Your reply will now appear threaded under the original comment, maintaining the flow of the conversation. Finally, don't forget to save your work. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a Save button. Click on it to ensure that your reply and any other changes you've made to the document are preserved. This step is crucial because without saving, your reply might not be stored properly and others won't be able to see your response. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a comment in Adobe Acrobat DC, keeping your document collaboration smooth and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.